talking about?
I'm not playing with you.
What am I talking about?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
On the 12th of February 2025, in Chicago, Illinois, a routine traffic stop for a no-turn-on-red violation turned into a foot pursuit, an arrest, and a string of self-inflicted charges that never needed to happen.
Hello. Hey. Hey, you did a no-turn-on-red out back there, so.
That wasn't a no-turn-on-red.
This was at 95th and Western?
That wasn't a no-turn-on-red. And actually, the turn, it wasn't even red.
It was red.
That was a car in front of me, it went green.
I literally went live.
I got a camera, and I was also recording. There was a car that was right in front of me.
Okay.
So
you also turned from the middle lane, too.
I turned from the middle lane.
Yeah.
How did I turn from the middle lane?
Man, I'm not going to argue with you, all right? You got your license on you?
Yes, I do.
Central 2935.
Can I go back
First
to
stop.
the car and get it?
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. You good?
Yeah. I got different keys. Hold on.
So this is what we're going to do. You're going to sit in the car while we're doing this, all right? Where are you going?
I was coming right here to the wellness center.
Okay. All right.
So what's going on?
So
You doing all this because of a right turn?
Yeah, I told you the probable cause already for the stop. All right. So I'm going to have you get back in the car for right now. All right. You're going to give me your license, your insurance. Okay, we'll go. That's what I'm asking for right now. Don't run. Got one running from me. I got her in the parking lot by Aspen Dental. Turn around, dumbass. Not yet. Give me one more unit. Turn around. Just stay here.
I'm sorry. I'm for myself.
You got anything
No,
on
I'm
you?
not. No, I do not.
Turn around. All right. You're under arrest.
My leg is hurting.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn around though. I'm not ridiculous.
Put your arm back.
I'm not resisting.
Then don't stop.
I'm out of.
All right. How about this?
I'm not.
All right. Give me.
My shoulder.
There we
I'm
go.
trying to find my arm behind my shoulder.
Give me this.
That's all I'm trying to do.
All right.
That's all I can get up.
Okay. Give me a sec.
That's all I was literally trying to do.
All right. Cool. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why what?
Why are you running?
Because I know the place are not legit.
35. I'm 10-4.
I know those places not legit. They go back to my girlfriend's car, okay?
Tuck your leg.
I'm not gonna lie.
Stand up.
Go
Stand
back
up.
to her car.
Stand up.
They're not to that
Stand
car.
up.
I'm standing up. I know the place. Don't match that car.
That was the dumbest I've ever seen.
Cause I know I didn't know, officer. I know
You're
this
on
place.
bullshit.
But my girlfriend, those are. It's gonna go back to her.
Okay, cool.
It's just a different car. It's just
Cool.
a different car.
Yep.
I know. We just put the plates, took them off the old car.
Do yourself a favor. Anything in the car other than the plates being fucked up?
No.
Where's the keys?
They're in my left pocket right now.
All right.
I got two keys, but one of them is in the pocket.
If I go through the car, I'm not gonna find anything.
A little bit of weed. That's it.
Okay, cool.
It's in this pocket right here. My left pocket. It's a little bit of weed, maybe a couple bags of weed. That's it. My keys in the left pocket, officer. I got two pockets.
You're in the rest, so
right
you
here.
go in all the pockets.
Right there. I got two. It's only a little bit. I must have dropped them running. They was in my pocket. Oh, there they go. Left. That's my girlfriend's
You
car.
hold this.
My girlfriend's car. The plates don't come back to the car, but they're still. I figure we might be good
It's in the
because
car.
there's still at least
Where's your
her.
ID in the car?
I don't know. It might be I don't know. It might not. It might. I don't think so. I don't even have an idea. I got that.
Bro, I knew she was. Huh? I'm behind it. I'm behind it right here. Yeah, I got it. This is the problem.
What?
What are you doing? Trying to unlock the door?
What are you talking about?
I'm not playing with you.
What are you talking about?
Turn around.
This shit tight.
Oh, Nate.
Really?
It's off, you fucking idiot.
One of them was tight as. What are you check me? Check me. Please check my pocket.
No, I ain't going through you that way.
Check my pockets, y'all are sleeping. I was trying to
Give him the car.
I was raising the window down to tell the lady.
Oh yeah, were you reaching? I saw you reaching out the door too, out the window. Shut the up. Sit there like a good person, and just go with it. You're under arrest. Yeah, see.
What was she doing?
I don't know, man.
Nobody else was with her?
This is literally just her.
Is your fan bleeding?
Yeah, a little bit. It's all right. I'll be off a month. Hey, how many times you gonna fucking trip over your own feet on that chase? 3. Fell there, then fell over there. Each one of those is a charge, you know that, right?
What?
Falling while running from cops?
No way.
Yeah, each one's a felony.
A felony?
Yeah.
You're running for falling on.
Yeah, it's tripping while running from police.
How old are you?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
How old are you?
You know better.
This is shit like 15-year-old.
I know.
Um,
I got a baby on the way. I got a lot more going with my girlfriend. This is
Dude.
the last thing I needed.
My computer keeps going out.
I gotta be picking them
Hey,
up.
Caleb, what comes back on this plate?
It comes back to a minivan, a Chrysler minivan. I already know because we had the minivan, we crashed the minivan, and we didn't have the money to get the plates on this car registered, so we just put the plates out the minivan on this car. I'm not even gonna lie.
You're going to the wellness center.
That's why you're...
Are you pregnant?
Chrysler?
Hey, are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
All right. No, I'm kidding about that. Hey, but that feeling you feel right now, remember that next time you think about running from the police.
I'm so scared, man. I really thought I was having a heart attack.
That was some dumb shit.
Adam Henry Paul.
Is it that's a big thing? Is it that was the plate still like that? I got arrested. What to do?
No.
What?
No, it's clear. I would have ran the VIN. If the VIN is clear and you could tell me who owns the plates, I could have worked with you.
Well, that's still the case.
Well, it doesn't matter now. You're getting charged with resisting. Oh, no, it's happening.
I know it's cold.
Listen, I get it, but you're definitely getting charged with that.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
Do you have a valid license?
I actually don't have that.
Okay.
That's probably
Do you have a warrant?
That's another charge. That's
So you got a warrant?
Huh?
You got a warrant?
No, not this.
Never missed court or anything like that?
I know that driver's license. I forgot about that too.
Okay.
That's another thing.
Hey, you see this? That's attempted murder.
I'm sorry, y'all.
No, that's attempted murder.
No.
Right? That's attempted murder. That's 5. No, it's not going to be attempted murder. Are you kidding?
I know, but you're going to try to say battery or
I'm not saying battery either. You're just getting the resisting and not having a license. And the 3 felony counts for falling while running from police.
Is there any way you can just tow the car and give me a court date to come to court with my license? That would
Hold on. You're going to love this. Central 2935. Can you roll B&R? That's our towing company.
Oh, so that's already going to be helping me just getting the car
Well,
back.
how about this? Don't drive without a license and don't take off from the police. It's going to cost about $850.
Well, the fact that we didn't get it registered, will I be able to get it still?
Probably. I don't know. Probably not.
That's what
Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop is a seizure, and under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968, that seizure only requires reasonable articulable suspicion, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. The officer cited 2 independent violations: a no turn on red under 625 ILCS 511-306, and an improper lane change under 625 ILCS 511 to 601. Either one alone is legally sufficient to justify the stop. When the driver fled on foot mid-stop, she didn't escape her legal exposure, she compounded it. Illinois versus Wardlow, 528 U.S. 1192000, establishes that unprovoked flight from police supports reasonable suspicion and justifies continued pursuit. Once apprehended, the physical resistance during handcuffing triggered 720 ILCS 531-1, Illinois' resisting or obstructing a peace officer statute. It only requires that the resistance be knowing. Intent to obstruct is not required. The driver then admitted without being asked that the plates were registered to a different vehicle. That admission alone satisfies 625 ILCS 53-703, which prohibits displaying registration plates issued for another car. She also volunteered that she had no valid driver's license, adding a charge under 625 ILCS 56-101. The Fifth Amendment protects against compelled self-incrimination. It does not protect voluntary statements made without any pressure to speak. The stop, the pursuit, and the arrest were legally grounded. But after the subject was secured, the officer claimed she faced felony charges for falling while fleeing. That charge does not exist under any Illinois statute or federal law. Misinforming an arrestee about their charges, even as a joke, is a professional standards violation. Combined with profanity during the pursuit, the post-arrest conduct reflects poorly on the department's training culture. The officer receives a C+. The stop was valid, the pursuit was justified, and the charges filed were proportionate to the evidence. The false felony statement and the profanity pull this grade down from where solid tactical work would have placed it. The driver receives a D+. Her realistic worst case at the start of this stop was a contested traffic citation. Her decision to run converted that into resisting arrest, no license, and a plate violation, all on camera, all in her own words. The department receives a B-. Backup was called, the pursuit was handled correctly, and charges were evidence-based. The deduction comes from the officer's false legal statements and unprofessional language both fall under departmental training responsibility. This encounter almost reads as a case study in how one bad decision compounds into several worse ones, and the lessons here apply well beyond what happened on this particular street corner. Lesson 1. Flight almost never helps. Fleeing removes any possibility of a cooperative resolution and gives law enforcement both the legal authority and the motivation to pursue aggressively. Wardlow settled that in 2000 courts treat flight as consciousness of guilt. Lesson 2. You have the right to remain silent. Use it. The driver volunteered information about marijuana, mismatched plates, and the vehicle's history without being asked about any of it. Every unprompted word became admissible evidence against her. Lesson 3. Minor violations stay minor if you let them. A disputed no turn on red carries no jail time and is routinely dismissed in traffic court. The charges she walked away with carry the possibility of incarceration, a criminal record, and an $850 tow bill. Lesson 4. The VIN check was her exit ramp. The officer said directly that if she had stayed at the scene and the VIN came back clean, he might have worked with her on the plate situation. That option disappeared the moment she ran. Lesson 5. Professional standards don't end when the cuffs go on. Telling someone in custody they face fabricated felony charges even as a joke is a line that should not be crossed. What this stop ultimately shows is that the legal system does not grade on intent, it grades on conduct. The driver didn't intend to make her situation worse. But intent is rarely what determines the outcome. If there's a case or a legal topic you want us to break down, drop it in the comments. If this analysis gave you a clearer picture of how traffic stops actually work under the law, hit like and subscribe to the channel.